Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. Today's video, I'll be breaking down this cool Pentecostal groove for you, okay? So if you're interested and you truly want to groove like this, kindly watch the video to the end because I'll be sharing with you how you can use them and where you can use them, okay? If you're new to this YouTube channel, you know what to do. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. And I also do private class lessons. If you are interested, kindly DM me. Just click on this link. It will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Then we can start doing the lessons, okay? So let's begin with the lesson. Okay, the song is a general Pentecostal song, mostly I hear in church, and I just want to try and share with you the baseline on how to groove it, even you don't know how to groove a Pentecostal song, okay? So if you are in Nigeria, if you're in any part of Africa, and you don't know the song, just learn the bass line, and you can also use this bass line in any song out there, okay? So the song goes like this, and it was played on key D, okay? Your D major, do re mi fa sol la ti do, okay? Da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. The normal Pentecostal progression normally used is the 1, 2, that is your do and your re, okay? But I'll make this very cool so that if you don't want to use the do and re progression, you can seriously groove with the bass line, okay? So it went like this, da 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 da, okay, da 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 da. You see, so da 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 da, do mi so, da 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 da. You see, so da 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 da, do mi so, da 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 da, re fa la, okay, re fa la, okay. When I was playing this do mi so and the re fa la, I was adding some groove attached to it so that it will make the groove so interesting, okay? So da 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 da, okay. So it goes like this, do mi so, la so la, and now you play your re fa la, okay, da 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 da, okay. So now on your re again, and I apply this groove, okay. So da 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 da. Okay, so let me break it down. Do mi so, la so la, re fa la, do re la. Then you continue re fa la. Then back to your do. Okay, so re do re, re do re la, re fa la. Now back to your do. So fa so so, do mi so. Okay, so now let me break it down for you in the full part. So okay, so learn that ASAP, okay? So da 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 da. So that part alone will be bringing the working bass line into that section, okay? So da 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 da. Okay, so I'll be adding some bass line to it. You can do it like this. You can be playing it 1, 2, 3, 4. You can just be playing it 1 note or 2 notes or 3 notes. Okay, it only goes how you want to groove it, okay? So you can decide to use one note, two notes, three notes. Okay, so da 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 da, or da 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 da, or da 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 da. Okay, so the notes are do, ti, la, so, fa. Okay, so da 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 da. That is on your fa progression. Do, fa, la, re, so, do. Okay, so fa, so, la. Now to your re progression. Do, re, fa, re, so, ti, do. Okay, fa, so, la, do, re, fa, re, so, ti, do. You can also add that to la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, so, la, ti, do, da, 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 da. That is the second one, okay? So I want you to understand the first one, okay? Okay, so re, fa, re, so, do, ti, la, so, la, ti, da, 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 da. Then the second ones come, okay? So now let's look at the second one. Da, 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 da. You see how it is cool when you play it even just one note. We have not added a groove. Da, 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 da. Da 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 da. So now let's look at that one note first so that you understand before you can insert the bass line groove. Okay, so do, mi, do, la, re, da 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 da, re, so, do. Okay, so the groove goes like this. Okay, so let me break that one for you. Do, re, mi, so, mi, do, la. So da 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 da. You understand? So do, re, mi, so, mi, do, la. Okay. Okay, so you're passing notes to re on praise. Okay, so mi, la, re. Okay, you just learn this. You can do it on your do. Okay, so mi, la, re. Okay, so now on your re again. Okay, so re, la, mi, la, re, la, re. Okay, la, mi, la, re, la, re. Now to your do, re, la, re, so, do. Okay, so okay, so when you're done with that part, I did this cool working bass on my one progression. Okay, there are many ways I can play working bass throughout the Pentecostal, very cool ones. Okay, but I just want to break this down for you. If you want the part 2 of this, I can do it, but the only way you want to make me do this is just leave in the comment that you want the part 2 of this, then I can give you cool bass line. Okay, so I did something like this. Okay, so da 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 da. So do 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 mi so do do. You see, so do 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 mi so do do. So now you can now apply the working bass to from do to your fa. Do ti la so fa, or the three notes. Okay, so I prefer you should use the 1 and 2. Okay, so let me teach you that. So do ti la so fa so la. Now to your re, and the passing note on that is okay, or you can do it this cool way. You see how it's cool. I didn't play this in the groove. You understand? So that is why I told you should be watching the video today, because I'll be adding some to the video. Or okay, so la D, your D. You see your do here. The next note in front of the do is your D before you come to your re. So okay, it goes like this. Okay, so la la. Then you now apply your groove to the re. Okay, then you re la so si do. I did something like this. Okay, so if you don't want to play, you can also play. So remember that when you want to play this, you plug on do do, re mi, fa so la. Okay, the only worst thing in groove is how you can remember playing a groove, or how to remember your bass line. That is the worst thing. But try and rehearse, and also try to remember the bass line. Okay, so you can add it, or okay, it also lead you to the do to your fa. Okay, so I think this is all the bass line I'll be showing with you today. I'll see you guys next time in my new video, that is this coming Friday. Don't miss it. Okay, bye for now.